Bitcoin perfectly retested his 4-year resistance line and flipped it into support right now. We were in a very big drawdown on our trades, but for now we are currently almost at break even. The power of 3 pattern, which is very strong on Bitcoin, is unfolding exactly as predicted once again, and the USDT dominance is dropping here after a push towards the upside, exactly as predicted. So first of all, please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss an update once again throughout the day. Please make sure also to join my free Telegram group here. I'm posting here every single day free alpha, free setups, updates about the market, and also updates about the trade, so you never want to miss that one. And please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this video if you love those daily update videos. And for now, let's dive into the data we discovered here. What we can see, and I've been talking about this resistance a lot here because it's very important, this resistance was a 4-year-old resistance line, and every single time we tapped this line we saw a move towards the downside. But this time was different because we broke out towards the upside, and exactly what we want to be seeing then is a perfect retest of old resistance, and that is exactly what we have been seeing here, and we have been calling this on our X page and also in our previous YouTube videos. So please make sure to follow me over there to never miss such updates like these, because this was pure capitulation towards the downside and a perfect retest, and this was exactly the point to not panic out of the market. That is exactly what they want. And if you followed me, you would have missed this move, and you would know that if we drop towards the downside, this was a very important support zone here. So for that, if we look at our trades, we were literally, and I posted this also over on my Telegram page, we were in a drawdown of approximately $30,000 on our Bitcoin trade and also $30,000 on our Pepper trade. But I have entered this position for a reason, and the reason was that I thought Bitcoin would go higher. And what I saw on the charts was a clear capitulation move towards the downside here, the power of 3 pattern. So what did we saw? We saw accumulation here. Everyone was accumulating in this range. So what is the best move for the market to do is exactly break below that accumulation zone, put the capitulation in, and that's exactly the second part of the power of 3 pattern. And the third part is exactly what we are seeing right now, and that is that expansion phase towards the upside. And this expansion phase could easily bring Bitcoin towards the 124K here. And I've been talking about this pattern a lot. When we were at this point, I've been talking about this power of 3 pattern because it's very, very strong for Bitcoin. And also, that was one of the reasons I didn't close any of my trades here. I even opened up a bigger position on Pepe here. And of course, I'm in a 15K drawdown right now, but my plan is exactly the same here. We are currently almost at break even, and that will mean that if we pump towards the upside and go to 125K, I'm full transparent also right now that this trade is in a drawdown, and if we hit TP, we all have been doing this live. So this was pure a capitulation move towards the downside to get everyone out of the market, out of their position before the next leg starts, and that is the expansion phase we are currently in right over here. So let's ride this trade towards approximately 125K here. And what we can see is I've been talking about this pattern here also on the USDT dominance. So we were squeezing towards a point. And at some point we broke out towards the upside. So that means that if we get a perfect retest towards the downside, we can see a move towards the upside, which could mean for a money outflow in the crypto market. And that is exactly what we have been seeing here. We broke out, perfect retested old resistance, and saw a pump towards the upside. So that could signal for a move towards the downside. And that is exactly what we have been seeing here. And we have been calling out this pattern here live on my YouTube channel and on my X page. And this was exactly the capitulation move we saw on Bitcoin, and it perfectly unfolded here. So pretty good to see that we are crushing the market once again here, because we have been crushing the market lately a lot here. And what we can see, of course, these trades are in a drawdown, but I'm really convinced that these trades will go into a very big profit and we crush the market once again. Also, some on-chain data on Bitcoin are looking very, very bullish here, because the Bitcoin reserves on exchanges are literally collapsing. We are at the lowest point ever here, and that means that a supply shock is a matter of time here, and all the market is about bid and ask, and the ask for Bitcoin is way and way bigger than the bid here, and that is exactly what you want to be seeing for a massive supply shock here. So I'm really convinced that this supply shock is coming very, very soon. Everyone wants to own Bitcoin, but nobody can buy their Bitcoin what they want here, because we have literally a supply shock coming in right now. So this on-chain data is such a bullish thing in the market, and I really think that this could push Bitcoin way and way higher for now. Then that was it for today's video. A little bit shorter video for today, but not really much is happening here in the markets for now. First, so if you want to get updated if the market is moving once again, please make sure to follow me over on X and join my Telegram. It's completely free. You don't need to do anything here, and you will be updated throughout the day, and you will never miss a move into crypto once again. And please make sure to follow me over on YouTube. And then I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.